Dear students, let's draw the artery supply of the heart. Outline of the heart: right auricle, left auricle, superior vena cava, inferior vena cava, arch of the aorta, left pulmonary artery, pulmonary trunk, ascending aorta, anterior aortic sinus, right coronary artery, right marginal artery, synodal branch, ventricular branches, posterior interventricular branch, left posterior aortic sinus, left coronary artery, circumflex branch, left marginal artery, anterior descending or anterior interventricular branch, diagonal artery, atrial branches. Yes, it's done.